In this video, we'll give you a short tour of the new web page design for MSR measures. This new web design contains an online display of the information that is contained in the Performance and Impact Analyses, or PIAs, for the initial set of measures being considered for MSR. It also provides the information that is contained in Preliminary Assessments, or PAs, for this year's set of MSR measures. After viewing this video, you'll know how to find the different tabs that describe the considered measure and why they're important. Let's get started. From the PQM website, click on the MSR tab at the top of the page. In the drop-down menu, click on the Measures option. A list of all viewable MSR measures displays. You can filter the list of measures using drop-down filter lists shown here. You can filter by Medicare program, or by whether you are looking for the PIAs or PAs. Now, locate the measure that you want to view. When you find the measure you want to view, click on the measure title. The new tabbed interface for the selected measure will display. There are multiple tabs visible along the top of the page. First, there are the Measure Overview and Measure Performance and Program tabs. These are the two tabs that will be completed for all measures in the initial set for consideration in MSR and constitute the performance and impact analysis. Then there are the Meaningfulness, Data Stream Burden Reduction, and Alignment with the Patient Healthcare Journey tabs. These are the three evaluation criteria for MSR and contain Patel's assessment of the measure on the criteria. These tabs will be completed for the final set of measures in MSR and constitute the preliminary assessment. There's also a Public Comment tab. Public comments are invited on the preliminary set of MSR measures based on the information in the Measure Overview and Measure Performance tabs. Lastly, the PI Form tab is visible to committee members who are logged in. This tab allows them to access and submit the pre-meeting initial evaluation form, the PI Form, online. Committee members complete PI Forms on the final set of MSR measures. To view the info in any of these tabs, you can simply click on the tab name. Let's start with the Measure Overview tab. The Measure Overview tab contains the main details about a measure. This information comes from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services Measures Inventory tool, the CMS CMIT, as well as from CMS and from other measure stewards. On the left side of the tab, you will see different buttons. In this example, these include Use in CMS Program. This includes the current program use, the CMS program history, and the CMS provided program rationale when provided. Description. This tab contains a summary of the measure. Measure specification. This includes the numerator, denominator, and other information, such as who is excluded from being counted in the measure. Measure information. This contains some quick facts on the measure, as you can see here. Endorsement history. This tells you whether the measure is currently endorsed by the consensus-based entity, CBE, or if it has been endorsed in the past. The Measure Performance tab contains information from publicly available data on how accountable entities are performing on the measure in recent years, and how the measure might still be useful in improving care. Now, let's select the Meaningfulness tab. Here on this tab, you'll see additional information about the measure. This will include importance, conformance, feasibility, validity, reliability, usability. Let's take a look at the importance section. This section provides a definition for importance and an importance evaluation. It also tells you whether the importance rating was met. As on the Measure Overview tab, you can click on any other button on the left side of the Meaningfulness tab to view additional information. To learn more about these sections, refer to the MSR Evaluation Criteria table in the MSR Guidebook. You can download the guidebook using the link shown on your screen. Additional tabs that you can select include Data Stream Burden Reduction, Alignment with the Patient Healthcare Journey, as well as the Public Comments tab, where you can provide your feedback on the initial set of measures being considered for MSR. By clicking through and reading each of these sections, you can understand the details of the measure, and also see Battelle staff's preliminary ratings on the measure using the MSR evaluation criteria. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need more information, please send an email to pqmsupport@battelle.org.